What's up, traders? Sorry, my voice, I'm sick today, so I sound like Rod Stewart in his old days. Okay, so we had a big channel, so I'm expecting a new high, but this is an FOMC day. Sorry. So you can't expect too much of this. Anyway, there was a range here with a clear two leg. One leg break, another leg. Okay, so clear two legs. And also measure move. And then we had here first entry, second entry long, failure, followed by another fail of the failure. So I entered here for 7 points, fading the range. Again, leg, break, leg, measure move, first entry, second entry. It was not enough evidence for me to go long with the second entry, so I was expecting a double trap. And this is a classic double trap. So if you have something like this and you're not sure if you enter in the right place, wait for confirmation. It can be a higher low or double trap. First entry, second entry, failure, and immediately breaking the high. 7 points.